Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at the E53 error code on your Electrolux washer from 2025 and wondering what on earth is going on, you're in the right place. This frustrating error can halt your laundry day in its tracks, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we'll break down what the E53 code means, why it happens, and how you can troubleshoot and fix it yourself, saving you time and money. First things first, the E53 error typically signals a problem with the water pressure or level in your washer. This could mean your machine isn't filling with water properly or that there's an issue with the pressure switch. Electrolux washers are generally reliable, but like any appliance, they can run into snags over time. So, what causes this? The most common culprits include a clogged pressure hose, which can get blocked by lint, soap residue, or debris, a faulty water inlet valve that controls water flow, or even a malfunctioning pressure switch. Environmental factors like hard water or infrequent maintenance can exacerbate these issues. Before we dive into fixes, remember safety is key. Always unplug your washer to avoid any electrical risks. Now, let's get hands-on. Step 1. Locate the pressure hose, usually connected near the bottom of the tub. Carefully remove it, check for blockages, and clean it out with a small brush or compressed air. Reattach it securely. Step 2. Inspect the drain hose and pump for any obstructions. Make sure they're clear and not kinked. If you find buildup, clear it away. Step 3. Try resetting your washer. Unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to test the pressure switch with a multimeter. If you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional. In most cases, these simple steps can resolve the E53 error and get your washer spinning again. For prevention, make it a habit to clean your filters and hoses every few months. If you're still stuck, reach out to Electrolux support or a certified technician. They're trained to handle these specifics. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance troubleshooting tips. Let's keep your home running smoothly.